Hi, it's your girl MeleyG on the microphone. I know that sounded terrible, but bear with me. So, alright, today I'm going to be making this yummy, tantalizingness that you're seeing, and the sauce used here is a really special sauce that I kind of whipped up, from my mind. I used different bell peppers, as you would see later on. I used this really spicy. I think in Nigeria we'll call it shombo. No, sorry, that's not shombo. Man, I don't remember the name we call it in Nigeria, but you see that orange thing over there? Yes. That's what we're going to be using. That's what's going to make it really spicy. Onions, ginger, prawns, smoked prawns. And I'm just going to be blending all of them. Yeah, I'm going to put it all at once. By the way, guys, the song playing in this video in the background is my new song called Big Up from my album Journey. I would really appreciate it if you guys can go to the description below and stream it. There'll be a link there where you can stream the song. It's one of my favorite and I hope you love it too. Thank you. Okay guys, so I already started. I forgot to record. What I've done so far is put the frying pan on the gas, added oil, get it heated up, and then poured in the blended pepper. And now I'm just adding all of the spices in it: salt, curry, Cameroon pepper, Nigerian suya spice, garlic powder, thyme, and you can add any spice you want, but if you want it to taste exactly like mine, then add all of the spices that I added. Now basically I'm just going to let it sit there, stir it and let it fry. Then when it's ready, you see the oil come up, and I'm only going to let it fry for a couple minutes. It could be less or more than 30 minutes depending on your amount. Basically what makes this taste really different is the bell peppers. I don't know if any of you have ever tried this, but bell peppers are really sweet. People may think, oh, that's a lot of pepper. No, it's actually, bell pepper is actually not spicy at all. It's nowhere being close to spicy. So basically this is chicken breast. I kind of sliced it in a way, is it horizontally or vertically? I don't know. And I'm just adding all of my spice that I'm going to use to marinate the chicken. So all of the spice I'm adding are all of the spice that I added in the sauce. So nothing really special. And what you're going to do is you want to use your hands. If you can wear gloves if you want, because I added extra chili pepper on this. So if you want to use your hand, you can, or if you want to wear gloves, you can. Either ways, just want to make sure you can get all the seasoning in there. Every single cut you made, get it in there. And it's really important you slice it the way I did here, so that when you're eating the chicken, you will notice that you can feel the spiciness, you can feel the seasoning everywhere. Just want to remind you guys to please stream my song used in the background. The link is in the description below. You can stream it with that link. The title of the song is Big Up. Thank you. I also made a beef version, just so that I can have, different varieties as I wanted. Now all I'm doing is the sauce that I made after it's been frying for a couple of minutes. Now basically you need to watch it because you don't want that sauce to burn, and then you let it cool off for a couple of minutes, and then you just start pouring it on your chicken and you go in there. Now I'm wearing gloves because yes, I do not want pepper on my hand, so I decided to put on gloves, and I'm pushing in and trying to marinate the sauce all in the beef and also in the chicken breast. Now this chicken breast, I haven't done anything with it yet. I only seasoned it, and now I'm adding the spice. And what I'm going to do is, once you're done adding all of this, I'm going to pop it up in the oven and leave it to broil. Actually, yes, we're going to broil it. I don't remember how long I boiled this for, but use your imagination. This is definitely a terrible cooking video, but bear with me, okay? With time I will get better. Now this is just potatoes, that I added a little bit of salt in. I like my potato, a little bit salty, not too salty. Don't go overboard with it. And basically I'm just gonna pop it in, and that's it. Pop it in the oven, and we're done. Here it is, the majestic royal food. This food is especially for royalties, trust me. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I would also want you guys to please stream the song used in this video. The title is Big Up from my album Journey that will be coming out soon. Please stream the song. The song is already out, so please stream it. In the description below there will be a link. Thank you very much. Bye guys.